Distribution of assets owned under the previous Civil Aviation Authority can now take place following the signing of an asset distribution agreement today. The signing paves way for assets to be distributed to the National Airports Corporation, PNG Air Services Limited, Civil Aviation Safety Authority and the PNG Accident Investigation Commission. The signing of the agreement by Civil Aviation Minister Stephen Davis was witnessed by the chief executive officers of the four entities and their legal representatives. Gregory Avira reports.
Minister Stevens said today's signing is a positive step forward in ensuring that the civil aviation entities can take ownership of specific assets to carry out their duties effectively. Mr. Stevens commended the management of the four entities for their cooperation, which resulted in today's agreement signing.
So today is the result of hard work, commitment, and I think it's open-mindedness and been reasonable on the part of leaders in this sector.
Minister Stevens said an important and directly beneficial outcome of this signing is that employees of these entities can now rightly have access to proper housing.
We need our workers to be properly accommodated. These are people who labor through very difficult circumstances, and their work involves a lot of pressure, and we need to, as entities, be able to do the necessary.
CASA CEO Wilson Sagati said the proper distribution of assets to the specific aviation entities can now allow for proper financial records to be presented during audits.
The concern for us, all the entities, is that until we have the assets distributed, then we can be able to reflect that properly in our financial statements. But without it, we'll still have a Auditor General's report saying that it's qualified.
The signed agreement will now go through to be gazetted before the assets are distributed. Gregory Avira, NBC National News, Port Moresby.